Mexico approves a law against right to
Ooh.
repair. This was posted by Fabian Leoner on the forum, and the source is from El Universal. So
Circumvention of technological protection measures or digital padlocks will now be criminalized without exceptions.
that's crazy.
That is crazy.
This is in spite of the fact that exceptions exist in the US and Canada and are permitted by the United States Mexico Canada Agreement. Nobody's ever going to call it this, or NAFTA 2. Penalties range from fines of up to $75,000 US and up to 6 years in prison for bypassing a digital padlock to, get this, inspect, repair, maintain, modify a device, vehicle, or technological device, and circumventing a digital padlock to exercise the rights to freedom of expression is also forbidden by the law. This is crazy. Not only does this just sort of criminalize tinkering and learning in some cases, it also makes the problem of e-waste worse because you can't circumvent. So if some company decides to create like a totally unnecessary lock on their device that makes it so you can never fix it, then it just ends up in a bin instead of fixed and still in use. Like, that's madness.
I wonder how many businesses they just shut down and how many honest workers they just unemployed.
It's crazy.
Because every cell phone repair shop is just gone.
La Red en Defensa de los Derechos Digitales. I'm sorry, my Spanish, Mexican. What language do they speak there? Spanish. My Spanish is bad. Released a statement on July 1st where it warns that in a hasty and
that whole topic about deleting your old video.
I know, right? They warn that in a hasty and undisputed way, the Chamber of Senators and Deputies approved various reforms to the LFDA and the Federal Criminal Code derived of the implementation of the treaty between Mexico, United States, and Canada that violate the Constitution, are contrary to international human rights standards, and seriously violate the fundamental rights of millions of technology users in Mexico. I agree. Well said.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm sorry I pronounced your organization wrong and had a brain gas moment there where I forgot what language they speak in your country. So I'm a moron, and you can hate me and cancel me, but it's going to be friendly fire because I'm on your side. This is terrible, and they need to fix this.
Yes, absolutely.
All right. In other news,
I don't think there's a ton else to say there. It just sucks.
Yeah, it sucks. It sucks in
Luckily,
every
it sounds
way.
like there's good people fighting against it.